Welcome back to the channel, everyone. Today, we're diving into one of the most talked about innovations of 2025, the all-new Electric Tricycle Camper. This compact, eco-friendly travel companion has been making waves across the outdoor and EV communities, promising a sustainable and mobile lifestyle without sacrificing comfort or practicality. After spending a good amount of time testing it out, we're bringing you an honest, detailed review. From design and performance to comfort, battery range, and overall usability. At first glance, the Electric Tricycle Camper immediately stands out for its futuristic yet functional design. Built with a lightweight aluminum frame and aerodynamic body panels, it looks more like a modern art piece than a camping vehicle. The trike's compact size makes it easy to maneuver through city streets and narrow country roads, which is a huge plus for solo travelers or couples who prefer off-grid adventures without the hassle of a large RV. The camper section is surprisingly spacious given its size. When parked, the rear module expands into a mini shelter that comfortably fits one or two people. Inside, you'll find a small convertible bed, foldable desk, smart lighting system, and even a compact kitchenette powered by solar panels mounted on the roof. The design makes excellent use of every inch of space, offering storage compartments beneath the seating area and clever modular features that turn the trike into a mobile micro-home. Now, let's talk about performance. The 2025 model runs on a high-efficiency electric drivetrain with a dual-motor setup, one for each rear wheel. This not only provides stability, but also a smooth, balanced ride even on uneven terrain. Acceleration is surprisingly brisk for a trike camper, reaching up to 28 miles per hour in full power mode. It's not built for speed, of course, but for its purpose, comfortable, eco-conscious travel. It performs beautifully. Battery life is another standout feature. The trike's battery pack offers an impressive 120-mile range on a single charge under mixed conditions. With the integrated solar panels, that range can extend even further when camping in sunny areas. Charging is flexible too. You can plug it into a standard outlet at home or use a fast charging station for a 0 to 80% charge in about an hour. Ride comfort is where this electric trike really shines. The suspension system is soft and responsive, easily absorbing bumps and rough patches on the road. The steering feels light yet precise, making it easy to handle even for those new to three-wheelers.